Hello everyone, hope you are doing good. In this tutorial, we'll be comparing two of the best email marketing platform available, Omnisend versus Mailchimp. While both platforms are highly rated and come with numerous standout features, each has different pros and cons. In this tutorial, I'll be going over a few of those pros and cons. I'll also be going over each platform features. I will be comparing the prices, and we'll also be comparing their different integrations and so on. So if this sounds good to you and you would like to know which platform is better depending on your goals, be sure to stick around until the end. So let's get started. We'll start off with Omnisend. Omnisend features email marketing, market automations, SMS marketing, and also web push notifications. With Omnisend, you'll also be able to create pop-ups and other forms. You can create landing pages and so on. Meanwhile, with Mailchimp, you'll be able to sign up for free and you'll also be able to create pop-ups, but with Omnisend, they provide you with more templates based on my experience using it. And also with Mailchimp, you don't have SMS marketing, but with Omnisend, you have that. A pull with Omnisend compared to Mailchimp is depending on the type of store you want to create. So let's say you are creating an e-commerce store or you want to use Omnisend with your e-commerce or dropshipping store. It would provide you with more tools compared to Mailchimp. An example of this is if we were to check out their segmentation or automation. So let me do that real quick. As you can see right here, I'm currently on Omnisend, and if I were to tap on automation right here and go into their browse pre-built workflow, you can see that they provide you with numerous automations. For example, you have the welcome automation, order confirmation, product abandonment, engagement split, and numerous other automations. Compared to Mailchimp, let's go on to Mailchimp real quick. You can see that meanwhile they do provide you with a few automations, it is nothing compared to Omnisend. So if you are doing e-commerce, you probably would like to use Omnisend, but if you're a complete beginner and you're not sure if you're going to be selling a lot of products or so on, you may try Mailchimp if you want to just get started, and then in the future you can go on to Omnisend, as it does allow you that feature to integrate Mailchimp with Omnisend. And talking about integrations, with Mailchimp they do offer a lot of integrations, but with Omnisend you'll be able to integrate up to 130 different apps. So let's go onto their integrations real quick so you can check it out. As I was saying earlier, it allows you to integrate with Mailchimp. It also allows you to integrate with Facebook. You can integrate with Shopify. You can add Shopify Plus, BigCommerce, WooCommerce, Wix, OpenCart, and numerous other apps, just to name a few. As you can see, it is completely free to install. So if you are looking for something with numerous integration and more segmentation options, Omnisend would be the thing for you. If you're also looking for a platform to create even more automations, Omnisend would be the thing for you, as it offers more powerful automations than Mailchimp. Omnisend allows you to create complex automation workflows that can trigger email and SMS messages based on a wide range of events, such as website visits, product purchases, and customer support tickets, while Mailchimp on the other hand offer only basic automations. For example, let's go onto Mailchimp real quick and you can see their automations right there. So if you want to use the basic if basic automations are good for you and you just want something simple, well, Mailchimp may be the one for you. And as I said earlier, with Omnisend, you do have numerous integrations. Now, let's compare their prices. So let's look on Mailchimp prices. So let's do that real quick right here. You can see that with Mailchimp, you'll be able to start off for free, and you'll also be able to start off for free with Omnisend. The only standout feature with Mailchimp is you'll be able to send up to 1,000 monthly emails, and if we were to compare that with Omnisend, let's see, you'll be able to send 500 emails. So you'll be able to send more emails using Mailchimp. But again, with Omnisend, they also offer SMS marketing. So if you are planning to do SMS marketing, you would be more swayed towards Omnisend. And with Omnisend, their basic plan starts off at $16 per month, and you'll be able to send up to 6,000 emails. And Mailchimp, their basic plan starts off at $13 per month, and you'll be able to send 5,000 emails. So in this case, Omnisend beats Mailchimp by 1,000. To send 6,000 emails, you'll need to go up to $20 per month on Mailchimp, as you can see right here. And their most expensive plan, their premium plan, will allow you to send 150 emails. Meanwhile, Omnisend premium plan, which is for $59, will allow you to send unlimited emails and up to 3,933 SMS. And again, with Omnisend, you'll have unlimited web push. So Omnisend is more price friendly, as you can see right here, $59 compared to Mailchimp, which is $350. So depending on the prices, you can choose which one is best for you. So now let me give you a quick overview of each platform. Once on Mailchimp, you'll quickly sign up. So if we were to go onto Mailchimp.com, all you'll have to do is tap on sign up, and you could sign up for free. On Omnisend, again, you can also tap on start for free in the top right hand corner, and you'll be able to sign up for free on either platform using your email address or your Facebook account. Once you are signed up on Mailchimp, you will be redirected to this dashboard. And to get started, you could tap on create in the top left hand corner. After you have tapped on create, you will see the option email, automations, website, landing page. For example, you could tap on email, and from there you could start your email marketing journey. You could tap on template, and you can see the different templates that they provide. All you have to do is tap on get started. Once you have tapped on get started, you will be redirected to this page. And from here, all you'll have to do is simply add the name of your email marketing campaign. And then from there, you could go on to customize your templates. So let me do that real quick so I can show you. You can see right here, you can tap on select the new builder, or you could use the classic builder. For this example, I will use the classic builder. So all you have to do is simply tap. Once you have done that, you can see the different templates right here. So depending on what type of email you'd like to send, you can choose from any one of these templates. Now let's check out the Omnisend platform so you can get an idea of the different templates that they provide. So at the moment, I'm currently on Omnisend.com. So all you would need to do is go over to the top left hand corner, and from there you could tap on forms, or you could tap on campaigns. If I were to tap on campaigns, from there I could tap on create email campaign. After I've tapped on create email campaign, I will be redirected to this page. From here, I'll tap on create email. After you have tapped on create email, you'll add your subject, and then after doing that, you will be redirected to the template page. So let me do that real quick. Let me tap on next step right here, video with, and depending on your target audience or your target goal, you'll be able to choose that from the left hand menu option, as you can see right here. Whether it is a welcome email you're creating to promote, or you're creating an email to promote products, you can choose from there. And you can see the different templates that they provide. So both platform is equipped with numerous templates that makes it good for even a complete beginner to create a beautiful email marketing campaign. And that's basically it. With both platforms, you are equipped with different features, but if you are more experienced or you want something a bit more technical for more automations and segmentations to target different audience at different points, I would more recommend that you go with Omnisend. If you are a complete beginner and you're looking for a basic platform to do some email marketing from A to B, you don't want anything complex, you just want something straight to the point, you don't want anything with a lot of automations or anything like that, and you're completely new, I would recommend that you go with Mailchimp. And that's basically it. But if you are doing e-commerce, I would more recommend that you go with Omnisend. Anything else, I would recommend Mailchimp. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative, and I hope it assists you on your journey online, and thanks again for watching.